providing false statements and false information to a law enforcement officer. I reviewed the paperwork and I found probable cause for all the charges. Do you wish the services of a attorney from the Public Defender's Office to represent you?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's Division 16. What do we know about Ms. Anthony?
Her fingerprints have come back with no CIT or FBI number attached to it, so I show no criminal history.
All right, and as you know, Ms. Stevenson, law enforcement requested this be placed on a no bond status.
Correct. We would request a bond be set in this case. The count 1 is a third-degree felony, count 2 is second-degree misdemeanor, count 3 a first-degree misdemeanor. Also, given her lack of criminal history, we would ask the court to consider setting a bond in these charges.
All right, Ms. Cowan?
Leave it up to the court.
All right. Ms. Anthony, I read the paperwork, and this is what I found. You left your 2-year-old child, Kaylee Anthony, with a person who does not exist at an apartment you cannot identify, and you lied to your parents and friends concerning your child's whereabouts. It appears to the court you care so little for your child, you did not even report her missing until 5 weeks later, and only because the child's grandmother insisted. Your 2-year-old child is still missing, and it appears you've shown no regret or concern in all your actions. Pursuant to Article 1, Section 14 of the Constitution for the State of Florida, I am denying you bond because no condition of release can reasonably protect the community from risk of physical harm to persons, assure your parents at trial, or assure the integrity of the judicial process. I'm also instructing that while she is here, that she, a mental health, perform a screen for Baker Act criteria, and you are to have no unsupervised contact with a child age 17 or younger. So, Ms. Anthony, the court would say to you, where is Kaylee Anthony? But I can't force you to answer that question. But that's the question I leave with you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right.